Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, October 30th at 7:01. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we're joined by Bella again. She just really wants to be in the camera today. We're drawing a woodpecker, and we're doing the Woodland Animals series. How to draw woodland animals in simple steps. So the link is in my description. This is by Susie Hodge. So I'm enjoying doing these animals. My end goal is to draw this little rat, but she's 14. She is a Chihuahua Yorkie mix, and she's my little shadow. She follows me everywhere, and she just is very attached. Now on this one, the woodpecker, I enjoyed it. It was fun to draw. I actually put a little splash of color in here. So we're starting to experiment with a little more color. Remember, I did the eye and I did a little thumbnail. Haven't really got into it all that much, but we're gonna get into color a little more later. I'm just doing some tentative experimentations with it. My pencil is getting shorter and shorter, so I'm about 8 drawings ahead, and I've had to put a pencil extender on here for my current drawing today, which will be a squirrel, and the link to this is in the description too. It's really lightweight. I like it a lot, and this is why I don't put Bella in my lap a lot, even though I know she enjoys it. It's just non-stop tongue. So there's the color. I wasn't really happy with the branch, but hey, we're learning as we go. I'm gonna watch some color pencil videos and try and work on my technique a little more. The next couple drawings don't have any color in them, but we are going to get into color eventually, pretty deep. And again, if you don't have a pet, get one. If you don't have a hobby, start one. If you've had a hobby and stopped, continue it. It's amazingly relaxing. So there's my final drawing, and I hope you guys have a great day.